Hey everyone, my name is Josh Durham. I have been in Frank's coaching course for about a year now. And so I just wanted to share some of the results that my business has had. Um, I started out having some low five figures a month in online sales with not very profitable. I was really just doing a lot of different coaching, not coaching, but just like random online courses, and I was having a hard time figuring out really how to sell product at a profit. And so we hired Frank, and within the very first month, we went from low five figure month to very high, from like $10,000 a month up to $70,000 a month in just 1 month. And so we actually had to scale down our ad spend. And so it has been really impactful for us. We've actually hired our 13th employee this month, and we've actually had to scale down growth just so that we can meet that demand. And so I would highly recommend Frank's coaching course. I know that it has changed my life, and it's changed my family's life. If you're ever confused with selling products online, I would highly recommend Frank to anyone, even if you have very little technical skills. He's really awesome to work with, and will always will challenge you, and will also help you grow your business. And so I can't speak any more highly of him. Definitely take it. It's definitely worth the money. And I hope this is helpful. Thanks.